should start wearing helmets. My excuse? Well, I didn't want to mess up my hair. 5 companies operate electric scooters in the district. The Lyft scooter I used warns riders to wear a helmet. It does give them out for free, but only at one location, in Arlington. Though after this study, maybe it should change that. Pete Muntean, WUSA 9.
Yeah, get your own helmet. It appears D.C. council members didn't see this study. They're poised to raise the electric scooter speed limit on city streets from 10 to 15 miles per hour. Oh, and the city just approved putting 700 more of those scooters on the street. There's nothing quite like the 4th of July fireworks in D.C. We're still 2 months away from the big day, but one of you is asking us if the fireworks show is moving to a new venue. Our Adam Longo and the Verify team got to work to find out.
Every night, our Verify squad works to answer the things you question and hear about. So viewer Doug Smith wanted us to verify a rumor he heard about this year's 4th of July fireworks show.
I was curious if you could find out any details about a request for possibly altering the July 4th use of the mall and having the fireworks moved.
All right, so our researchers tracked down a National Park Service spokesperson who said it's true. This year's fireworks celebration is going to be moved to a new launch site, West Potomac Park, allowing the National Park Service to open new sections of the National Mall to spectators, including the nearby Lincoln Memorial reflecting pool, so more people can enjoy the display. Also, the Lincoln Memorial fireworks location required closures of walkways around the reflecting pool for about 10 days prior to the 4th, and having the launch there removed it as a place where many observers could take in the show. So we can verify, yes, for this year, the 2019 Independence Day fireworks launch site is being moved from the Lincoln Memorial reflecting pool. So our Verify email inbox is exploding with your questions. We want to blow up fake news and light up the sky with truth. Reach out to me directly with your questions. I'm on Facebook and Twitter at Adam Longo TV. You can also email verify@WUSA9.com.
Let's go back to meteorologist Howard Bernstein.
Yeah, still tracking some showers, a little bit of thunder, but the worst is over by a long shot here. It's moving off to the east and the northeast. Seeing some more moderate rain around Baltimore right now with lighter showers for the most part, although we got a little yellow showing up in Charles County now and a couple of showers still north of Winchester. Notice just some light rain. Parts of Montgomery County, D.C., up into Baltimore now until you get to Baltimore, that is. Temps 60s to low 70s. Could have some patchy fog tonight because the air is rather humid and we don't have a lot of winds expected, although right now breeze is north of 13 and a little bit of light rain. Today might make 12 out of 18 Fridays with measurable precip and 15 out of 18 with at least a trace at National Airport. As far as the weekend, it's going to be a little ugly at times. Clouds, and in the afternoon and evening tomorrow, there will be spotty to scattered showers and storms closer to 80 degrees. In fact, the weekend as a whole, Saturday, the warmer day, 80. Sunday, 70, with many of us, I think, staying in the 60s. There'll be showers around Sunday morning into the afternoon. Hopefully, they taper off early afternoon, but some of the guidance coming in tonight says might be mid to late afternoon. So if your lawn is getting a little jungle-like, you might want to tackle it whenever you get the opportunity because we don't have a lot of hope here in the next 7 days except for Tuesday for being completely dry. So quiet start Saturday morning, some patchy fog. Lunchtime, low to mid-70s. Still not much going on, but in the afternoon, we're starting to pop some showers. A couple of storms here and there. Not too widespread, but I'm going to keep the yellow weather alert because look at 7:30. I mean, if you're caught under that trying to barbecue, you're going to have some issues. Then tomorrow night into the overnight, some heavier rain seemed to move in from the southwest. Overnight, here we are Sunday, 4 a.m. into Sunday morning. Look at the heavy rain up north of I-70. 65 with an easterly wind, and those temperatures barely budge on Sunday. Still plenty of rain around at lunchtime with some scattered showers and storms. 6 o'clock Sunday, still unsettled. So, yeah, that's why we've got the yellow weather alert out for Sunday as well. So right now, Saturday looks like the much better day of the weekend, but still a yellow weather alert. Isolated showers overnight, maybe a storm, but some patchy fog too, low to mid-60s. Mostly cloudy, an isolated shower in the morning, some early fog, and then in the afternoon, spotty to scattered showers and storms, 76 to 81. More rain as we get into Saturday night and Sunday with Sunday's temperatures. Come on, computer, don't fail me now. Sunday's temperatures will be climbing only in the 60s to around 70 degrees on Sunday. And then Monday, better, will be in the mid-70s Monday with a chance of a storm. Tuesday, good, and second half of the week, not good.
Adam Longo, 10 for sports.
Yeah, we got one bright spot in D.C. sports we can talk about tonight.